All right, so with this lab, we had to use Excel to determine the length of two pendula, given our beat period. Mine was 5 seconds, and based off the math I did, I got really close. This was the Excel sheet I used. I had my length in meters. And I started with 1 meter just to make it nice and simple. I figured if I'm trying to get any sort of beat frequency, I could just use a lower number and keep guessing and checking until I get something real close. For the period, I used the formula that was given, 2 times pi times the square root of our length over gravity. Which we used 9.81 instead of just 9.8 or 10, because that's what the app uses. So yeah, I did that for both of them. And it took a few tries before I finally got the 0.51. I just didn't show all of that work, I just showed the final result. The frequency is just the inverse of the period in hertz, and so for that I just did the period, or yeah, 1 over the B information. Then for the beat frequency, it's the absolute value of this minus this. And then for the beat period, you just take the inverse of the beat frequency. And I got really close to 5 seconds. And then with the lab, as you can see, every 5 seconds, just about, see, 5.09, it lines up exactly. And so that shows that it was really close. And while it wasn't directly on with the calculations, I'm sure it's probably just due in part to me stopping the watch at a slightly slowed rate, or maybe just the calculations in this app are different than the calculations here. But anywho, these are the calculations I used to get the beat period. This was my theoretical beat period, and this over 4, which is 5.105. It's really close. I'll calculate out the percent error somewhere on this page and just have it written down as an extra thing, but it won't be in the video. Anyway, thank you. Goodbye.